Good morning, brothers and sisters. Let's go to, in the Word, let's go to Psalm 34. Verse 15 and verse 17. Psalm 34, verse 15 and 17. Brothers and sisters, a phrase that we always use in the church: we are in the world, but we are not of this world. Many times, because we are in the world, and because we are in the flesh, sometimes it can go wrong. We get involved in the world. There are many things that mislead us. There are sometimes movies, the internet, books that we read, TV programs and friends. All those things sometimes put us in the wrong track. Because sometimes we know the Word, we know our Bible, we know our God, but we get sidetracked. But when we realize that, it's no shame. We have to seek the Lord. Let's go back to seek the Lord. In Psalm 34, it says, "The eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and his ears are attentive to their cry." So, it is we that abandon the Lord. It's not that the Lord abandoned us. So we have to go back. And in Psalm 34, verse 17, it says, "The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles." So, brothers and sisters, I'd like to encourage you today to go. If you have been sidetracked, don't worry about that, but go back and seek the Lord. Amen.